Top 5 Best Exhaust for V6 Camaro. NXT-STEP Performance Axle Back Racer Exhaust compatible with 2016 to 2022 Camaro 2.0L Turbo EX7002R in just $369.99. Introducing the NXT-STEP Performance Axle Back Racer Exhaust compatible with 2016 to 2022 Camaro 2.0L Turbo EX7002R. Perfect for the track-minded performance enthusiast, the T304 stainless steel axle back exhaust is constructed of high-polished stainless steel and features 4 inches dual-walled tips for an optimal exhaust note without resonance. The inlet size is 2.25 and the tip diameter is 4, offering a perfect blend of power and performance for your 2016 to 2022 Camaro 2.0L Turbo or V6 3.6L. Get yours today for just $369.99. Borla 140,282 Cat Back Exhaust System. Camaro 10 3.6L V6 at MTRWD2 Doctor in just $1,348.99. 2 Muffler Type. ATAK. 2.25 Inlet. 2.25 Outlet. This Borla 140,282 catback exhaust system is designed to fit the 2010 Chevrolet Camaro 3.6L V6 at MTRWD2 Doctor and is made from corrosion-resistant T304 stainless steel. It features a 2.25 diameter piping, an ATAK muffler with 2.25 inlet-outlet and a unique sound that provides an aggressive drone-free performance. With this system you will experience more horsepower, torque, improved fuel economy, and a stunning look for your Camaro. Upgrade your vehicle for only $1,348.99. Spec D Tuning Dual Catback Exhaust System Muffler Titanium Tip Burnt Tip compatible with Chevy Camaro 2010 to 2015 in just $327.95. The Spec D Tuning Dual Catback Exhaust System Muffler is the perfect accessory for your Chevy Camaro 2010 to 2015. With its titanium burnt tip and easy installation, this system is sure to look great and perform even better. Plus, with our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can purchase with confidence knowing that your item is in original packaging, exactly as shown and with little to no modifications needed. And best of all, it's only $327.95. Get your Spec D Tuning exhaust system today and hear the difference for yourself. Spec D Tuning T304 Dual Catback Exhaust System Muffler Tip compatible with Chevy Camaro 3.6L V6 2010 to 2015 in just $299.89. This Spec D Tuning T304 Dual Catback Exhaust System Muffler Tip is designed to fit 2010 to 2015 Chevy Camaro 3.6L V6 engines and comes with a price tag of $299.89. All our items are in original packaging, exactly as they are shown in images and require little to no modifications for easy installation. We want you to be completely satisfied with our products and services, which is why we offer a 30 days refund and 90 days defective item replacement warranty. So if you have any issues with your item, please call us and we'll be happy to help. Borla 11,776 Rear Section Exhaust Kit. Camaro 10 3.6L V6 at MTRWD2 Doctor in just $770.99. 2 mandrel bent tubing 3 dual T304 stainless steel tips. This Borla 11,776 rear section exhaust kit is made exclusively for the Camaro 10 3.6L V6 at MTRWD2 Doctor and is priced at $770.99. It offers mandrel bent tubing and one piping diameter of 2.25, and is topped off with dual T304 stainless steel tips. This kit gives your Camaro a powerful and sleek look and offers a smoother, less restrictive exhaust flow for more power and better sound. Get your Borla rear section exhaust kit now for improved performance and unmatched sound.